Let us begin with set number 10 for multiple choice question. First question, which of the following materials are diamagnetic in nature? So answer is oxygen. Now these are few examples of paramagnetic and ferromagnetic substances. So in case of diamagnetic, oxygen is an example in the given question. A metal plate is placed in a magnetic field that is changing with the time. What phenomenon occurs? Okay. So whenever there is a metal plate which is induced in a magnetic field, this is the definition of eddy current. So eddy current will take place. Okay. Whenever there is a metal plate which is introduced in a magnetic field, that is called as eddy currents. In a full wave rectifier, what will happen? The output frequency is twice the input frequency. Full wave rectifier. Okay. Full wave rectifier में output दोनों waves का आता है. So it will be twice the input frequency. The binding energy per nucleon is maximum for Fe56. So that is Fe maximum value कितना आता है 8.3 MeV approx 8.3 MeV आता है. Remember the value also. The binding energy 8.3 8.5 approx. This is the binding energy का value. Next, the magnetic field produced at the center of the current carrying loop at a radius is given. Again, current carrying circular loop. So B equal to mu naught I by 2R. So mu naught का value होता है current का 5 दिया है. ठीक है, current is given as 5 and radius is given as 5 centimeters. So 2 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 5 cancel. 2 ones are 2 2s. So this will be 2 pi. This will be 2 pi into 10 raised to minus 2 ऊपर जाएगा plus 2 and plus 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So 2 pi का value कितना होता है 6.28 into 10 raised to minus 5. But if you see the answer is telling in dash micro Tesla. Micro मतलब कितना होता है minus 6. So इसको हमें करना पड़ेगा 0.628 into 10 raised to minus 6. So that is option C 0.628. In a LCR series circuit, the capacitive reactance is 100 ohm. So capacitive reactance में XC का value दिया है. The resistance is given 50 ohm. The impedance is given as 120. Find the inductive reactance rounded off to nearest integer. So we know that Z equal to root of R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. So substitute the value. So Z will be equal to root of Z का value दिया है 120. So this will be 120. So 120 equal to root of R का value 50 square plus XL minus XC the whole square. ठीक है. Now what do you do first? Take square root to the left side. Square root ले लो left side में. When you take square root at the left side, what will happen? It will become square. So that will become 120 का square. ठीक है. तो इधर आ जाएगा 120 का square will be equal to root of root हट जाएगा. 50 का square कितना हो जाएगा 2500 plus XL minus XC the whole square. Now how much is 120 square? 12 का square 144. So 14400. 2500 इधर आएगा तो क्या बनेगा माइनस 2500 इक्वल टू XL माइनस XC द होल स्क्वायर. तो नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 14400 माइनस 2500. सो व्हेन यू सब्ट्रैक्ट यू गेट 11900 11900. नाउ इफ यू सी यहाँ पे इसका स्क्वायर है. जैसे रूट यहाँ पे आ गया था तो स्क्वायर बन गया था, तो स्क्वायर वापस भेजो यहाँ पे तो बन जाएगा रूट ऑफ 11900 विल बी इक्वल टू XL माइनस, नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ XC कितना दिया था 100. ठीक है. Now 11,900 you have your square root book. So 11,900 का रूट आता है 109 approx 109.08. ठीक है. This is 109.08 equal to XL minus 100. ठीक है. So XL का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? Here you have to find the value of XL कितना आएगा. ठीक है. तो ये -100 इधर आएगा तो +100 आएगा. So here in this MCQ there are no such options which are matching. Find the inductive reactance, right? So there is no such option which is matching. So it should be 209. So none of the option is matching. Okay? None of the option matches. Answer will be 209. Okay? -100 इधर आएगा तो +100 हो जाएगा. So this will be 209. Next, insects move over the surface of water because of, now this is because of surface tension. When a body of mass 1 kg is made to oscillate with the spring constant of 16 Newton per meter, the angular velocities. So angular velocity होता है omega equal to root of k by m. K का value 16 है, mass का value 1 है. So 16 upon 1 will be 16 and root of 16 will be 4. So that is B option. A parallel plate capacitor is charged by battery and then the battery is disconnected. The dielectric slab is introduced between the plates. Okay. When the dielectric slab is introduced between the plates, then what will happen? Which of the quantity remains unchanged? When you are introducing the dielectric slab and the battery is disconnected, charge is always conserved. ठीक है, charge हमेशा conserved होता है. For a gas undergoing the adiabatic process implies that the internal energy change is solely due to the work done. Which the following statement about an adiabatic expansion is correct? Now adiabatic expansion means dq equal to 0. So I know that dq equal to du plus dw. So that what will happen, du will be equal to minus of dw, है ना. Internal energy and work done पूरा same हो जाएगा. तो work done will be what? Work done will be equal to the internal energy. So which of the following statements about an adiabatic expansion of an ideal gas is correct? You have to explain which of the following is correct. So there will be change in internal energy. Okay, that is option C. The internal energy will change.